We are pleased to show you the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.